They're grackles? What is that? It does seem to be grackles, actually. You weren't wrong. These are grackles. They seem to be very sharp and on the edge. Is there any other types of birds? Or is it only grackles? Oh my god! Cardinals! We missed it. He was being such a chill guy. Look! What about this one? Look! Jay, what about this one? Is that a dove? Yeah, this grackle, mother sucker, I swear. This fucking grackle. Yo. Mother okay, then I'm not gonna feed you guys any more than that. Oh! Oh my god. Holy! So cool! Chat, that was sick. Is there any other kinds of birds? Is somebody gonna peck him? Yo, peck him! He's eating everything! Well, then I give an opportunity for the other birds to eat, though. Maybe the doves are gonna... I called it! Look! It helps the doves! And the grackles are back at it. Yeah, so lame. Yeah, the grackles are back, GG. And then he comes back again. Chat, why don't they peck him? Look how cute!